From the crushing depths of the ocean to the endless plains of Africa, the animal kingdom is filled with giants, creatures so massive they defy imagination. These titans represent the extremes of evolution, perfectly adapted to their worlds in ways both fierce and beautiful. Today, we'll explore the 10 largest animals on Earth, living proof of nature's ability to create life at an awe-inspiring scale. Whether swimming in the deep sea or roaming the land, these creatures command respect and wonder. So get ready to travel across the planet and meet Earth's true giants, some familiar, others surprising, but all extraordinary. Number 1 is the blue whale. This is the largest creature ever known to exist, even bigger than the largest dinosaurs. Measuring up to 100 feet long and weighing more than 200 tons, it's the ocean's gentle giant. Its heart alone can weigh as much as a small car, and its arteries are large enough for a human to crawl through. Despite its size, the blue whale feeds almost entirely on tiny krill, consuming up to 4 tons of them every day. During feeding season, it takes in mouthfuls of seawater filtered through baleen plates, trapping millions of krill in one gulp. Its low-frequency calls, the loudest of any animal, can be heard hundreds of miles away underwater. Once nearly driven to extinction by whaling, the blue whale is slowly recovering thanks to international protection efforts. However, they remain vulnerable to ship strikes, noise pollution, and changing ocean temperatures, constant reminders of our shared responsibility to protect the ocean's greatest inhabitant. Number 2 is the African elephant. This is the largest land animal on Earth, with males standing up to 13 feet tall and weighing more than 14 tons. Their enormous ears act as cooling systems, and their trunks contain over 40,000 muscles, making them one of nature's most versatile tools. Elephants live in close family groups led by matriarchs, wise females who guide their herds across vast landscapes in search of food and water. They can recognize friends and relatives even after years apart, using deep rumbles and vibrations to communicate across great distances. Sadly, poaching for ivory and habitat loss have devastated elephant populations. Conservation groups across Africa are fighting to protect them, creating sanctuaries and promoting coexistence with humans to ensure these gentle giants continue to roam the continent freely. Number 3 is the green anaconda. This is the largest snake in the world by weight, and one of the longest, reaching up to 30 feet and weighing over 500 pounds. Native to South America's swamps and rivers, this semi-aquatic serpent moves silently through murky water, waiting to ambush prey. Anacondas are constrictors. They coil around their prey, cutting off circulation before swallowing it whole. Their flexible jaws allow them to consume large animals like capybaras, caimans, and even deer. Despite their size, they rarely pose a threat to humans. These powerful snakes are essential to their ecosystem, controlling prey populations and maintaining balance in wetland environments. Myths and movies have exaggerated the danger, but in truth, the green anaconda is a fascinating and misunderstood giant of the Amazon. Number 4 is the whale shark. This is the largest fish in the world, stretching up to 40 feet long and weighing as much as 20 tons. Despite their intimidating size, these slow-moving giants are filter feeders, consuming plankton, small fish, and shrimp as they cruise through tropical oceans. The skin is patterned with white spots unique to each individual, like fingerprints for identification. Whale sharks are gentle, curious, and often swim alongside divers, creating unforgettable encounters for anyone lucky enough to see them in person. Tragically, these magnificent fish are listed as endangered due to overfishing, boat strikes, and habitat degradation. Conservation projects and ecotourism initiatives are helping to protect whale sharks and raise awareness about the delicate balance of marine life. Number 5 is the saltwater crocodile. This animal, often called the salty, is the largest living reptile, capable of growing up to 23 feet long and weighing more than 2,000 pounds. Found in the waters of Southeast Asia and northern Australia, this apex predator rules its territory with stealth and strength. Its bite force, measured at over 3,700 pounds per square inch, is the strongest of any animal alive today. Saltwater crocodiles are ambush hunters, waiting patiently for hours before launching explosive attacks on unsuspecting prey like water buffalo or wild boar. Despite their fearsome reputation, saltwater crocodiles are critical to wetland ecosystems, keeping animal populations balanced. They are ancient survivors, virtually unchanged for over 200 million years, a living reminder of the age of dinosaurs. Number 6 is the giraffe. This is the tallest land animal, with males reaching up to 19 feet high and weighing nearly 3,000 pounds. Its iconic long neck, made up of just 7 vertebrae, the same as humans, allows it to graze on leaves beyond the reach of other animals. Giraffes are gentle browsers, feeding mainly on acacia leaves and buds. Their long tongues, measuring nearly 20 inches, are tough and prehensile, helping them navigate thorny branches with ease. Despite their slow movements, giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour when threatened. Sadly, giraffe numbers have dropped by nearly 40% in the past 30 years due to habitat loss and poaching. Conservationists refer to this as a silent extinction, urging more global attention for one of nature's most graceful giants. Number 7 is the brown bear. This animal, particularly the Kodiak subspecies, is among the largest land carnivores. Adult males can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and stand 10 feet tall when upright. Their thick fur and fat reserves allow them to survive harsh winters, where they can hibernate for up to 7 months. These bears are powerful yet adaptable omnivores. They feast on everything from berries to moose, salmon, and roots. Their strength is legendary. One swipe of a paw can crush a skull, but they're also intelligent creatures capable of complex problem solving and memory. Populations of brown bears have rebounded in regions like Alaska, thanks to strict conservation laws. Their recovery serves as a powerful reminder that with the right protection, even the largest and most vulnerable animals can thrive again. Number 8 is the ostrich. This animal is the largest bird in the world, standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing around 340 pounds. Although flightless, it's built for speed and can sprint at 45 miles per hour, using its long legs to outrun predators across the savanna. Each leg is armed with a powerful claw capable of delivering lethal kicks. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal, nearly 2 inches across, giving them exceptional vision to spot danger from afar. They live in flocks that work together to protect the young. Ostriches play a vital role in their ecosystem by dispersing seeds and controlling insect populations. Despite facing habitat loss and hunting pressures, they remain resilient symbols of the African wilderness. Number 9 is the giant oceanic manta ray. With a wingspan of up to 30 feet, the giant oceanic manta ray glides effortlessly through the world's tropical and subtropical oceans. Weighing up to 3,000 pounds, it's the largest species of ray, admired for its grace and gentle nature. Mantas feed by filter feeding on plankton, moving through the water with their mouths open as they loop and twirl in mesmerizing patterns. They're intelligent creatures capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, a rare trait among marine animals. Sadly, manta rays are often targeted for their gill plates in traditional medicine. But global awareness campaigns and marine sanctuaries are helping protect these magnificent creatures, ensuring their elegant presence continues to enrich our oceans. Number 10 is the Japanese spider crab. This species of crab is the largest arthropod on Earth, with leg spans stretching up to 12 feet from claw to claw. Found in the cold waters off Japan, they look like creatures from another world, with long, spindly limbs and armored shells. These deep-sea scavengers feed on algae, small animals, and decaying matter, keeping the ocean floor clean. Despite their frightening appearance, they are slow and shy, relying on camouflage to protect themselves from predators. Some individuals can live for over a century. Unfortunately, their populations are threatened by overfishing and habitat disruption. Efforts are underway in Japan to breed and protect these alien-like giants of the deep. From the sky-high giraffe to the massive blue whale, these 10 giants reveal the extraordinary diversity of life on Earth. Each one is a living marvel, proof that nature can create creatures of unimaginable size and complexity. Their survival depends on us. By protecting their habitats and respecting the natural balance, we ensure that these incredible animals continue to inspire awe for generations to come.